Occupational Health Partners helps local and regional companies minimize work injuries, increase productivity, reduce absenteeism, provide injury prevention, education, as well as diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation of work-related injuries. We offer all these services from OHP at our new location, 1001 South Ohio. I'm Dr. Kelly Yoxall, Medical Director at Occupational Health Partners.
Well, Dr. Yoxall, thanks for coming on the show. You've had some exciting news to talk about over at Occupational Health Partners. Why don't you talk about the new location?
Sure. We moved at the end of May, and we moved over to Ohio Street at the old StatCare location, and we have a lot more space for our patients. We have a lot more space for physical therapy to do their work there.
Okay, let's talk about, for those that are not really familiar with what all you do over at Occupational Health Partners, why don't you give a little rundown of what all you do?
Well, we work with companies and try to help them with their employees. We do a lot of pre-employment physicals, pre-employment evaluations. Our physical therapists do some evaluations to make sure they're ready for work and physically can do the work. We do drug screens. We have diagnostic capabilities with x-rays. Of course, we see workman's comp injuries and follow-ups on injuries and do rehab there as well. So we have a full, obviously x-ray, as I said before. We have hearing and vision testing that we can do for companies that require that for OSHA requirements for their job. We do lab testing for different possible exposures and employments.
Okay, you talked about a little bit when we talked about the new location, but important aspect of, especially of getting back to work and some pre-employment testing, is the physical therapy. Why don't you talk a little bit about their area?
We have a couple of physical therapists that come over on a regular basis. They do pre-employment evaluations for specific companies, and the thing that they do that's very unique to what we offer in the community is they actually go to the employer and directly mimic what their job description entails. So if they have to lift something that's 40 pounds from their waist to shoulder height, they can mimic that exactly. That, I think, it gives us a much better opinion on whether they can perform the job adequately. Use it also in the post-injury realm as well, when somebody's trying to get back to work and we want to make sure that they can safely do it. So we have a lot more room, and it just able to offer a better product.
Okay, thank you so much for some great information, and thank you for watching. For more information, visit salinaohp.com and follow them on Facebook.